Welcome to ScalperIQ. We're excited to have you here. I'm Zach. I'm the lead developer of ScalperIQ, and I'm going to show you how to install it for MotiveWave for Windows today. If you just signed up, you received an email that looks something like this. To get started, click Open Portal. Once you've clicked Open Portal, you'll be presented with a screen like this. From here, you can download ScalperIQ, download your license key, or move your license to another computer. For more information on how to move your license, see the link in the description to our full documentation. For now, we're going to download ScalperIQ. And we're going to download our license key. Great. Now, let's move to our Downloads folder. Now that we're in our Downloads folder, you should see two files, the .jar file that contains ScalperIQ and your ScalperIQ license key. Select both of these, right-click, click Copy. Now, click on your C drive. From here, you're going to navigate to Users, find your username folder, and double-click it. Find the MotiveWave extensions folder and double-click it. Once you're in the MotiveWave extensions folder, you can right-click anywhere and select Paste from the menu. This will paste the ScalperIQ jar file and your license key into the MotiveWave extensions folder. Now, let's open MotiveWave. Now that we have MotiveWave open, we need to adjust a few settings so that ScalperIQ remains snappy and responsive on our chart. Right-click your chart anywhere and go to Chart Settings. On the top right side, you'll have three settings: max linear bars, max nonlinear bars, and max tick days on chart. Set max linear bars somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000. For max nonlinear bars, do the same. For max days on tick charts, select somewhere between 5 and 10. All of these are adjustable. We recommend starting at low values to see how your computer handles ScalperIQ, and then bumping values up if everything is running smoothly. Next, it's time to add ScalperIQ to the chart. Go up to Study, scroll down to ScalperIQ, and find the ScalperIQ tick engine. Once it appears in the top left corner, it has been loaded on the chart. Next, we'll go back up to the Study menu and down to ScalperIQ, and let's add ScalperIQ Delta Flow. We'll hit Create, and you'll see ScalperIQ Delta Flow on your chart. We'll repeat the process, go back to the same menu, click ScalperIQ Impact, and we'll see some dashed lines showing imbalances and that ScalperIQ Impact is now on your chart. One more time, we'll go up to the same menu, click ScalperIQ Phantom, click Create, and you'll see some large bubbles appearing on your chart, typically near highs and lows, letting you know that ScalperIQ Phantom has been placed on your chart. If you have any further questions, please refer to the link in the description to our full documentation, or you can reach out to our support team at info@scalperiq.com, or even better yet, join our Discord, link in the description.